I'm Periyasamy. I'm taking care of sales here at Makino India Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. I would like to introduce our new model of the machine VMC Slim 8N. Slim 8N has unique design of single bed and column structure which gives more rigid accuracy. Also it has a supportive element of HSKA 63 spindle temper. This machine can be widely popular where mass product machining is required with high accuracy and demand. This machine has more rigid structure and expanded capability of the stroke from 800 mm by 500 mm by 500 mm. Also, we can provide with a spindle flexibility of 10,000 rpm or 12,000 rpm with a higher torque. With such high rigid structure and accuracy capabilities, the high requirement of the customer where you can meet shorter turnaround, higher accuracy, expanded capabilities can be met with this Slim 8N machine. We at Makino India serving 30 plus years of engineering solutions to our customer. We are here with our machineries and engineering solutions to our customers across India. We do have manufacturing facilities in Bangalore and Coimbatore. In Bangalore, we do the variety of machinery manufacturing, and in Coimbatore, we have the capability of fixture manufacturing. Makino is the only foreign machine tool company which has its own fixture manufacturing facility.